Alright, everyone. Today we are out with the VinFast Limo Green. This is VinFast fully electric 7-seater MPV that competes with the likes of the Mitsubishi Expander, Toyota Avanza, and Hyundai Stargazer here in the Philippines. And I would have to say, design wise, this really separates itself from those more traditional gas powered MPVs. Up front, instead of the large wing shaped LED structure we see on other VinFast models, this gets a light bar that angles slightly upward towards the ends. It gives it a sharper, more modern look. Honestly, from certain angles, this looks closer to a compact SUV than a typical MPV. Down the sides, it rides on 235 55 18-inch tires wrapped around very EV looking aero inspired wheels. For something positioned toward fleet use, that is a surprisingly bold wheel and tire setup. Overall proportions are upright and practical, but visually, it does not scream entry level people mover. It actually has some presence. Stepping inside, VinFast interiors in the Philippines have had one consistent theme so far: simplicity. There are no complex lines, no dramatic material mixes. It is very straightforward. In front of the driver, there is no traditional gauge cluster. All information is displayed on the 10-inch infotainment screen. I would imagine this is partly a cost saving decision, but it also contributes to that minimal look. The gear selector is now a rotary knob. There is no physical handbrake. Auto brake hold is configurable through the screen. The software itself is utilitarian. No flashy animations, no unnecessary gimmicks. It just works. I did notice there is no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration, but Bluetooth connectivity is available. Seats are fabric, nothing fancy, but comfortable enough for daily use. Alright, let's go ahead and set off. One thing I always enjoy about EVs is just how easy they are to drive. And in the limo green, that is immediately apparent. Visibility is good, steering is light. There are no strange quirks in throttle calibration. Now, here is where the limo green completely separates itself from its gas powered counterparts. This is a full EV producing around 200 horsepower and 280 newton meters of torque. That is significantly more than what you get in most entry level MPVs in this segment. Power comes from a 16.13 kilowatt hour battery pack. On a full charge, VinFast claims up to 450 kilometers of range. It supports both AC and DC fast charging, which is crucial if you are considering this for high utilization scenarios. Those numbers alone already put it in a different conversation compared to the Avanza or Expander. And with 200 horsepower on top, it feels properly quick for something in this class. Size-wise, I would compare this more closely to a Toyota Innova than an Avanza. It feels substantial on the road. The suspension is comfortable. It glides over minor road imperfections in a way that feels very refined for the price point. Going over bumps, I did not notice any squeaks or rattles. The cabin feels solidly put together. Air conditioning performance is decent as well. I was driving this at noon, no window tint, and the cabin cooled down to a perfect, comfortable temperature without much effort. Regenerative braking is adjustable. At the lowest setting, it behaves very much like a traditional gasoline car with noticeable glide when lifting off the accelerator. Increase the regen level, and you can feel the car slow down more aggressively when you come off the pedal. The difference between modes is quite pronounced. For fleet operators, I can absolutely see the appeal. Easy to drive, strong performance, fewer moving parts compared to an internal combustion vehicle. If EV infrastructure in the Philippines continues to improve, this could genuinely be a game changer. In Vietnam, this model is already widely deployed as a seven-seater option in ride-hailing services. Moving to the second row, space is actually quite generous. Rear passengers get their own air vents behind the center console and dual USB-C ports. Third row passengers get roof-mounted vents on the sides and two cup holders each. Seating back there is on the tighter side, but the amenities are thoughtful. With the third row up, cargo space is decent. I would say you could fit about two medium-sized suitcases comfortably. The Limo Green is priced at 1,099,000 pesos with VinFast battery subscription program exclusive of monthly fees, and 1,399,000 pesos without the subscription. It comes with a 7-year vehicle warranty, a 10-year battery warranty, and is backed by VinFast's residual value guarantee. For fleet operators, the lack of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto might be justifiable. The focus here is function, uptime, and predictable operating costs. Being a full EV, it aims to reduce downtime with fewer and more predictable maintenance intervals. Personally, I wouldn't mind owning one as a daily driver. There is a certain balance here between pricing, design, performance, and practicality, which makes it compelling. If infrastructure continues to grow locally, vehicles like the Limo Green should shift the conversation around what a practical seven-seater in the Philippines should be. Let me know what you think about the VinFast Limo Green and whether you would consider an electric MPV over a traditional gasoline or diesel option. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Stay safe on the road, and I will see you in the next one.